Okay, you guys, so here is some of my groceries. I have some cucumbers, some red onion, bell pepper. I have some lettuce for some lettuce wraps. I have a cabbage, some green onions, 2 bags of spinach, some spring mix. I have the romaine and the iceberg, 2 cartons of eggs, celery, broccoli, jalapenos, iceberg lettuce, cilantro, baby carrots, sliced carrots, some mixed vegetables, some fat-free cheese, a big old thing of yogurt, some mushrooms, some cholesterol-free, sugar-free, fat-free mayo that is kind of disgusting. I need to try to find a different alternative. Some spicy mustard, some dill pickled relish. Sriracha will be your best friend because it makes everything taste good and everything is 0, 0, 0, 0. I got some vanilla extracts. I'm going to try to make another cheesecake a different way. Sugar-free Jell-O strawberry kiwi. I have some veggie spirals, which I'm going to make spaghetti using that tonight. Some tomatoes, some onions, some diced tomatoes, no salt tomato sauce, green beans, and some fat-free, sugar-free, salt-free dressing. The Thousand Islands tastes all right. The ranch, I don't know about that. Okay, so I am probably gonna cook some beef broccoli. I know I'm gonna make a veggie omelet. I gotta make this ground beef, and I'm gonna make some zucchini, some spaghetti with the zucchini noodles. Okay, so that is my groceries, you guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye. Okay, so first I'd like to start off my day by making me a cup of coffee for my drive to work. So I buy a big old box from Walgreens. No, not Walgreens, Walgreens for $10, and I put it in my Keurig 2.0. I start it, I close it. I make sure I make 2 pods, and I also like to make sure that it is dark and strong. I like to add 2 packs of Splenda for 1 pack of Splenda for each cup, or each pod. So I go ahead and put the Splenda in. Once my coffee is ready, I stir it up, and it'll be ready for me for my ride to work. So this is my meal for my first day on the cruise phase. I boiled 8 eggs, and then I cut them, or 4 eggs, and then I cut them in half, and I seasoned them with cayenne pepper. I have a homemade oat bran galette, which tore apart, and some salt-free, sugar-free syrup that I purchased from Walmart. And I also have some ground beef that I mixed with some stewed tomatoes and some salt-free tomato paste. I kind of had spaghetti last night. This is my yogurt. I use a Frage plain Greek yogurt, and I add oat bran to that. And then I have some steak. As you guys can see in my previous video, this is all the meat that I cooked. Some chicken, seasoned to perfection. And I also have a salad because this is the first day of my cruise phase. So I have some vegetables, and I am so happy that I get to eat some greens. So I like to cut all my vegetables up and place them in baggies, so it'd be easy for me to just go ahead and make a salad for work, and I have to cut everything up one day at a time, even though the tomatoes will get a little soggy. But it's easier this way because I get up like at 4 o'clock in the morning. Here I am making my salad, adding some red onions. adding some red onions to my salad. I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh tomatoes, some green onions. I have some mushrooms in the refrigerator too. That sounds like a good idea. I might cook some ground turkey and some mushrooms. Okay, so here is some cucumbers that I placed on there. I am going to pack this salad with some good old veggies, okay? Because eating all this meat all these days, you are really appreciate your vegetables at this point. So here I am adding some fresh tomatoes, and I like to season my salad with a little bit of the pink Himalayan salt and a little bit of ground pepper. And I think on the cruise phase you could add fat-free shredded cheese, but I didn't add any cheese because I just want fresh vegetables. So yeah, this meal was very simple. I cooked all my protein in one night. I also got some sugar-free, calorie-free, fat-free Thousand Island dressing. As you can see, is very watery, but that's all that I could eat right now. So this is my meal prep for the day, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.